Google's recent reveal of the Pixel 9 series at their highly anticipated Made by Google event has sparked significant excitement. With the introduction of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, many tech enthusiasts are curious about the real world durability of this new flagship. Jerry Rig Everything, known for their rigorous and playful testing of smartphone durability, has taken on the challenge of putting the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL through its paces. The test begins with an exploration of the phone's overall robustness, assessing various aspects including scratch resistance, heat resistance, and screen durability. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, much like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, withstood the heat for approximately 30 seconds without any screen damage. Another critical feature tested is the under-display fingerprint scanner. Jerry Rig Everything subjects the Pixel 9 Pro XL to vigorous scratching to see if the scanner remains functional. The Pixel 9 Pro XL continued to recognize and unlock with the fingerprint scanner. This demonstrates that Google has engineered the Pixel 9 Pro XL to maintain its biometric security features even after significant wear and tear. The Pixel 9 Pro XL performed well during the bend test, suggesting that despite its larger dimensions, it maintains structural integrity similar to, if not better than, previous models. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which contributes to its durability. The durability of the Pixel 9 Pro XL sets a high bar for future smartphones. Google's advancements in screen protection and overall phone resilience reflect a significant step forward in mobile technology. Google's latest flagship holds its own with notable advancements in durability. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply considering a new phone, the Pixel 9 Pro XL's durability offers a compelling reason to consider this device for your next upgrade. Share your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL's durability in the comments below. And for more updates on the latest tech gadgets, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay tech savvy and take care.